Sherdil IT Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the AWS route table and attached to a subnet. This is our sixth video. In previous lecture we created a subnet in our existing VPC. Now we are going to create a new route table that's called a custom route table, and then we will associate our existing subnet in that newly created route table. So let's get started. Now I am going to create a command AWS EC2 create dash route. Okay, just 1 minute. We need to add them VPC ID here. minus output table. So what we are doing right now, the command is AWS EC2. We are going to create a new route table that's called the command is create dash route dash table, and then we need to associate this route table with the specific VPC. So in my scenario I am using this VPC along with the VPC ID, and the output should be in the table format. So I just press enter. Yes, it's created. If the result shows in blue color, it means you have successfully created your resource. So what I need to do, I just copy this route table in my okay, it's public route table. The second thing is we need to tag this route table by name is public route. So command is just as we used before, AWS EC2 create dash tags minus just 1 minute, AWS EC2 create dash tags minus resources, and just put the resource name minus tags key is equals to name value equals to public dash route dash table, or I can put it public dash RT dash Usman. Enter. Now I can verify it's not only create but also it put a tag name. So let's check. Go to the route table, and what was my route table ID is 09FE. So verify with the 09FE. Where is it? Okay, refresh it. It's route table ID. This is 09FE, and this is my public route table. So I have successfully created a public route table. Now the second thing, I need to associate my existing subnet with this route table. So what I need to do, AWS EC2 subnet dash, and then put this name. . table ID, copy the route table ID and paste it here. It's successfully associated. It means that if I check it, you don't have any subnet association. Now the subnet has successfully associated. And the last thing what we need to do, we just need to add a route that target to my internet gateway whenever my machine wants to go to the internet. So let's check it. AWS EC2 create dash route. Remember, we are not going to recreate our route table. We are going to create route on our existing route table that we created in the first step. Now this is the third step. We need to add two resources in order to create a route. AWS EC2 create dash route minus minus route dash table dash ID space. Now we have a route table ID, this one. Just we need to copy, paste it, space minus minus destination dash CIDR dash block 0.0.0.0 slash 0 minus minus gateway dash ID IGW and then dash. Let's find my internet gateway ID. So IGW, remove the IGW and paste the complete ID minus minus output, although it will not work, but we can put it like, if the return is true, it means that I have successfully added my internet gateway route with my existing route table that I created before in this the starting of this video, and these route will help to my existing subnet that I associate with this route table. So let's check with the GUI. Go to the route table. This is my route, and then you can see that this route is available for. So whenever my machine in the future want to go to the internet, that machine throughput and the data will come on this from this subnet to this route table, and with the help of these routes my traffic go towards the internet. I hope you will enjoy a lot in this video. If you have any query, feel free to ask me. Thank you.